All right, today we're going to bring a StarTech clone and hard drive reader. Now, I purchased this for cloning my drives, and it's SATA only. It fits two sizes of drives, all right? So you could do solid state drive or mechanical drive. The two different sizes, it could be the laptop versions or the larger versions, all right? So this actually reads really good. If you're gonna do cloning, you don't need to plug in the USB. You just need power. That's pretty much it. USB is only if you want to read the drives. You could turn them on. It'll read both drives and you could have them there. But wouldn't recommend you leaving them permanent here because they do tend to heat up. You need some sort of air circulation going on. But this is great. If you're just going to, use it for cloning, you could have one single clone will clone your drive. And it's very simple to clone it. We're going to actually film some of the stuff, how to do it, right? So when you clone it, you just turn on the power. Make sure it says source here. Tells you source. And then it says here, destination, right? So that's very simple. Your main drive, wherever you want to copy to the one that you want to copy to, right? Eject buttons, very simple. You could use the USB, the thicker USB. It'll read both drives, like I said. It'll show up in the letter. It'll give you letters. That's only if the drives are formatted, right? If they're not formatted, you're going to have to go through the whole process of that. All right, fastest thing to do to clone drives. All you got to do is turn it on, hold the clone button. All the lights are going to turn on, and then it's going to go. So we'll let it run all day, all night. We're going to transfer 14 terabytes, over 14 terabytes. It might take a day and a half or so, but I don't have to disturb. I have to use my PC. I don't have to use software. Best solution ever. So look at this, guys. It's been about 6 hours and we're at 25% right now. So it's been a couple hours already. We're at 50% now. So halfway mark. Not even 24 hours and it's almost done. We're at 100%. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.